You are going to love the 2017 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. 2. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.